Go to the fort of fortune. Have you been able to do it? No. No one's been able to do it on... Kev super loves me when he's drunk. No one's been able to do it on solo. No one. I think Shumba made it halfway once. DJ Phoenix with the 14 months primed out your mind. You shut up, old man. You're older than me, DJ. The hell you talking about, bro? I'm sad I put on the shut up old man clip. I instantly laughed my ass off. Bruh. Who told you such lies?
Shut up, old man.
Get out of here, bro. Rainbow. Please let there be someone here. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Is there a clip to that encounter? I think Beard has a YouTube video out of that encounter. Can't see it yet. We can see Sanctuary, but not the fort. Oh, Tara, guess what, man? You suck, that's what got him. Actual got him. You suck like that sword lunge, got him again. That's a twofer. Twofer, bro. Chicken butt. Give me some better shit. No, bro, no one's there. Son of a biscuit eater, man. All right, we might have to dive to a new server. Because there's no one doing this, and I don't see anyone in the area going towards it either. So let's look and see if this Reaper chest is moving. Where's this Reaper chest at? Looks like someone tapped it and left it. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to dive to another server. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. But there's no one doing this. Damn, I thought since it had been up for a hot minute that someone was at least gonna be there. But that is not the case. If we can see a rowboat. Nope, no rowboat. Damba, damba, damba. I'll tell that one, that one, that one. Tall order, yeah. It's oh shit. Vote down, vote down, vote down. Forgot we had some we have an item to turn in over here at Reapers that I am gonna go to Reapers to turn it in, man. Every little bit counts, bro. Every little bit counts. Now, and even though I want to specify something, because I know some people have asked before, even though we know that this chest was put here by a player, I cannot go over there and get it because I did not see a player put it there. So I can't go fuck with that. Ooh, I should have bought food from, I can get it from Arena. I can get captaincy again. If you steal a Skull of Destiny, are you allowed to do the Fort of the Damned? Nope. If they start it and they complete it, then I can steal it. But I can't have any part of doing the Fort of the Damned. If I go to the island and I kill one skeleton, that entire Fort of the Damned is negated. I cannot take it because I contributed to the completion of it. It has to be 100, like no PvE. Which means I can't start it either. You know, I can't start it and hope that someone else comes along and completes it. I can't even start it. They have to be the one to start it. That's why, I don't know if you watched yesterday, Bloodthirster, but I ran into a guy and I sank his ship, and I convinced him. that he had a bounty on him that someone placed on him on the server. And I noticed that he had skeletons on the island, that he was doing a Order of Souls voyage. So I told him that if he completed his Order of Souls voyage, you know, I apologize for sinking him, but I told him 200,000 gold for the bounty was too good to pass up. But I convinced him to complete his Order of Souls so that I could take those skulls, because I wouldn't be able to do them. Oh, you saw it? Yeah. When did Box say that him and Bars were going to the beach? You're so treacherous, that poor sailor. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. I wasn't on LD, so he'll never know my identity. That guy got. Yeah, he did. I think you could even hear him go. I can hear him processing. I don't think that guy's part of the community anymore. I don't even think that guy knew what the sock community was to begin with. Nice. Worth. All right, let's buy these captain supplies from here, and then we move on to the next server. Port of Fortune went down. Boner balls help us out big time during this mode too. Like big time.
Would you like a bowl of water?
I don't like the way that she talks to you. Well, he believed the whole bounty. Yeah, true. He did. He said, why would anyone want to put a bounty on me? All right, I see a ship that's over at a camp right now. We can try to get there before they complete it. Not sure if we can make it there in time, but we can try. Okay, definitely enough planks. We're good on that. We have a decent amount of cannonballs. What is that, 346? Emissary sloop with lights parked over there at Plunder Outpost. This is an emissary as well. Probably dove to this. Yeah, he didn't like go ballistic or anything like that, so GG's to that guy. So what's that? Are you going to play things fairly safe early or be a little bit more aggressive? So I was already a little bit more aggressive, and I've turned in quite a bit of loot. Like, my levels don't look like I've turned in quite a bit of loot, but I've turned in quite a bit of loot. I've turned in 2 Fort of Fortunes. I think I've turned in a Fort of the Damned. I've turned in quite a bit, but I think now I'm going to be a lot more cautious. I'll probably avoid brig fights. Like, I'll probably test out a brig and see how they play at first, and if they look like they're remotely sweaty, I'll probably dodge. You know, I'll pull a Siggy in a chat, and I'll dodge. Which is smart if I want to keep the run alive. If anyone crud launches, then I'm just leaving. You know, I'm just gonna leave the server. Because the rules state that you're not allowed to leave while in an active battle, except if you know that the crew that you're fighting is cheating or exploiting. So small deck energy. That is a guild emissary that they have. Let's just go ahead and take these off the pan now. This right here might be a tough fight. Don't know. We'll find out. We'll see if he's solo. We'll see if he's got a buddy. He hasn't completed this yet, so... All right, he's completed it now. Right now, he's probably stuck coming up the elevator, which gives us an advantage to just pepper his ship. All right, he's back on his ship. All right, he's sunk. So he probably has loot stashed on the island somewhere, and he's gonna try to use island cannons against me, or he's swimming away with something right now. Because you see how the skeletons aren't attacking? And he was in the water. We'll take that back. That's a yoink. Merm is still there. We hear him on the island. We can't get that last barrel because there we go. All right, that's gonna go to Reapers. That'll go to Reapers. All right, he took his merm, or he took the whatever it was, the statue maybe. So now we can try to find the loot that he buried. Or he could have been smart. He could have went down into the chamber and died to make his merm go away and reappear here. That could be a smart move. Could be a smart move on his part. We'll see if he's got that big of a brain. Where's the other one? Nope, not that big of a brain. Not that big of a brain, I hate to say. It's literally right here. He buried it right here. Yeah. Oh, did he go to another server? Oh, did he do the server trick? No way. I think he did the server trick, bro. Because look, here's the rock. The little rock that sticks out. I feel like I hear it. But I think he did the server trick. Could be underneath. If it was underneath, it would be circled. Yeah, it would be circled if it was underneath. Like it's like right on the edge of the water. But I think he did the server trick, man. It's like right here where I'm at, right here. I can go down below and check, but it would have a circle if it was down below. We just need to make sure that he's not in the general area of coming back. Let me look over here on this side. Okay, so it is straight west. Maybe it is down here. So maybe if it is down here, I need to report it and let them know, hey, this needs to have a circle on it. Straight west is, there it is. I just heard it. Yeah, so no circle. No circle on it. That's bad. No sound for the elevator either, bro. What the fuck?